All right, so here I am getting ready to A, mount our AC bracketry, and B, our alternator. Now note, we had a problem in the... You all right, Scotty?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. We had a problem in the past with the alternator jumping around and all the bracketry was funky and it had these spacers. This car had a long water pump. Who is it? This car had a long water pump on it. This car is supposed to come with a short pump. Problem being, this had a long water pump, and therefore it had all the ghetto-ness of long water pump nonsense to adapt short pump stuff. So I think the reason why somebody did it is, one, some clown broke a bolt off here in the head, which is where is it? Note, your alternator bracket. It is supposed to go bolt like that. That's how it's supposed to be. Remember the old one, it was all sticking out of here, had one bolt up the top there with the arm, and it was doing the Watusi and all that nonsense. So, step one for short pump. But, when we ordered the AC kit, I told Maurice, when you talk to Curtis at Classic Auto Air, we need a kit for the compressor for a long water pump. This is what showed up. So, all of my time and work in this is probably going to be going, well, it doesn't matter because it had to be done. But with this car supposed to have a short pump, there's our problem. So, note all of our spacer nonsense. So we're going to have a lot of fun dealing with that. And I also have to get the bracket ready for the compressor, put a short pump on here, and hope that everything goes together. Fun. So much fun. Remember, the $15 an hour expert worked on this. Shit show. Now here's Scotty. Scotty, what's the problem?
Castle nut.
Mm-hmm.
On a bolt that doesn't need a castle nut. Okay, I can go with that for the moment, not a problem.
Yes.
Now, a little bit of finagling. Socket's super, super tight, not a problem.
Yeah, good.
Okay, so
Okay.
nothing's moving.
Yeah. Uggy Duggies.
You got to have something to hold it first.
Torch.
I'm thinking cutting the bitch, but that's just me. I want to see if we can
Get the actual bolt out itself, yes.
exactly, because I don't want to take any chances.
No.
And these bushings are
Done. Yeah, I know.
Gone.
It's been done. All right.
problem after problem after problem.
Yep.
Because I figure if we're on the back end, let's finish the back end off.
Get it done.
Everything done. Run the last bit of the fuel lines. Get everything ready to go. Plumb the gas tank. Get the tank in place. Get the straps on. Get everything cleaned up and done. And then all of the back end of the car is completely done. We can put the wheels on it.
Yes.
And that will signify for us that the back end is done from the doors back is good. Now we'll work on the front, get the front suspension bushings and everything in, get that taken care of.
All that finished up.
And then, because from what I can see, we're not going to have to go under the car again. Put it down on all fours. Take the jack stands out and let this thing sit on all four wheels. But until then...
Well, that's our goal for sometime next week.
Yeah. Wonder Twin powers, activate.
Yeah.
Form of a torch.
As long as everything goes well
Yeah.
over the weekend. And now, after this, we're going to get a little list together of everything else the car needs. God, that was loud because that was behind me. Tell Andre he just rang my bell.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'll go with it. Anyway, all right. Moving forward.